Hey Joe, I spoke with you maybe a week and a half ago regarding your website. My name is Lee Terbianic and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you see on the home page, all this writing here, and even pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. And most big SEO companies don't even know that you want to save your pictures as important keywords that people are actually typing each and every month, which we're going to get into here shortly. But Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. And as we scroll down your site, you do have a beautiful logo here. I love the way you have this beautiful picture here up in the heading. However, I do suggest having your navigation menu up here critiqued a little bit. You don't have any services listed with your services. I see you have them listed down here at the bottom in the footer, which is very tough for your clients coming to your website to see what you offer, and also having your services offered. So each of these would be their own page with keywords for each of them. So that would be listed here with a drop down menu of your services, and if say someone wanted wind mitigation, boom, they click the wind mitigation, and all those important keywords revolving around wind mitigation for your area would be throughout that content on that page. So when someone typed it, boom, they find it in your content and it gets pulled to you. Now I'm going to show you some keyword stuff here quick. This is an overview of your site, and you're ranking for 31 keywords at the moment. So let's see here. Pro inspections, inspection pro. Right now you're getting barely any traffic at all, and that's because you don't have any SEO done to your website. And I can tell that just by your numbers right here. You are in DR. You're not showing for any backlinks or SEO work done. You have no trust. That's what this number usually is, and this is 0 to 100. And you have no backlinks or referring domains. So that's not very trustworthy in the eyes of Google, and I'm going to get into that stuff shortly, but I want to talk about your keywords. So as we get into your keywords, this is going to show the exact keyword and the time, how many times it's being searched monthly. This is a volume, represents an average monthly number of searches for that keyword. So let's see here. Wind mitigation inspection, Fort Lauderdale. There's 30 searches. Now this is a minimum number, so this could be 50 for all we know. But you're in the 29th position. That's the 4th page. Professional inspection services, 60 searches a month, people looking for that in your area. And we want to have keywords with a city behind them, so we know that's somebody looking for a service and directly where you are. So like this, wind mitigation inspection, Boca Raton, 30 searches a month. It's got a 0 KD, which is keyword difficulty. That means how hard it is to rank for it compared to, if there was 20 other companies with this keyword in their content, this number would be like a 5 or 6 or 10. It would be a lot higher. 0 means there's not many companies trying to battle for this. So if you were to do a little SEO and add some power to your website, you would start getting raising positions and getting up on that first page. But right now you're in the 41st, which is the 4th page. So let's see what else you got. Wind mitigation inspection, Broward County, 10 searches a month. Home inspection, Delray Beach, Florida, 70 searches. That's 70 people minimum looking for a home inspection in Delray each and every month. But they will never find you because you're on the 6th page. No one ever goes there when they're looking for services. We need to get you on that first page, and you could start pulling all this 70 searches to your website. Town of Davie inspections, 30. City of Boca inspections, 30. There's tons of search volume here. It's just no one can find you because you're 5th page, 6th page, 7th page, 8th page, 9th page. As you can see, wind mitigation inspections, Miami, 100. That's a huge keyword right there with the 0 KD. I don't know what one of these jobs is worth to you, but that's 100 people looking for that minimum each month. So, all right, let's go back now. That was just a little bit about your keywords. I want to break down Google. So this section right here, I just typed in wind mitigation inspection Boca Raton. We know that's right here, or Boca Raton right here. Wind mitigation inspection Boca. It's getting 30 searches a month. So I just did that as one of our keywords to see where you were and who was in first place so we can compare. So Boca Raton Inspectors is in first place for that keyword. And as we scroll down, not very much content, a little bit here, maybe 300 words. The website isn't too aesthetically pleasing. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words for your homepage and revolve those keywords inside your content and your headings here, maybe a couple pictures saved as it, you're going to start pulling some searches for that keyword alone. So now let's go back to that search. So this is the GMB or map pack. Now you are not in the top 3 for this. All around inspections is in first place. So what ranks you in this section is called a citation. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, and like the yellow pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, YouTube's even a source. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I plugged in all around inspections information. Show me that they only have 9 citations to claim that top spot. That's very low and very beatable. They have one coming from Bing.com, ZoomInfo, Boca Guide, and Home Gouge. So if we were to go out and get 100 for your business, 200, you'll swamp these guys out, get in this top 3 map pack, and you're going to see a big change in clients coming to you from just being here alone. I know this is where I go when I'm looking for a company because I can get to their website. If I want to go there, there's directions listed. And usually the best people are in this top 3. So we want to get you up there. Now when it gets down to this section, this is the organic section. And what ranks you here is backlinks. So a backlink is when one website links back to your website. So you want relevant sites linking back to you. You don't want Pizza Hut giving you guys a backlink because you don't sling pizzas. You'd want another home inspection or a blog about wind mitigation in the content having a link in it where people can click it and it takes you to your website. That will give you a backlink. So Google counts backlinks as votes. So the more backlinks you have, the more trust you'll have. And if people are willing to send their traffic from their website to yours, you must be a legit business. So it's very important to have backlinks. So as we look, let's go back to the overview. Now, as of right now, as this loads, 1 second, you only have 4 backlinks coming from 4 referring domains. And these do follow links are the ones that transfer power, and you only have 1 of them. And your competition barely has any right now. It's just, I think his site might be a little bit older than yours, so he's gaining a little bit more power. But if we were to do a little SEO and focus on some keywords, but let's see what kind of keywords he has. See if there's any big volume, high volume, low KD keywords that we could focus in and add into your content. So wind mitigation inspection 30, Boca Raton building department inspections 50, wind mitigation inspection Fort Lauderdale 30, wind mitigation inspection near me 1,000 searches, wind mitigation near me 50, Florida building code, mitigation inspection, wind inspections. So again, but we would do research for all your services that you offer. Go to the top guys, see what their stats look like, and we would focus on all these keywords and find all the keywords for, you know, any services that you offered, and we would build those pages out with those keywords throughout. And this is what it looks like. So here's a website that we did for a plumber. Beautiful service listed in his heading. Boom, his main keyword he wanted to focus, plumber Woodland Hills, right in his heading. We also have it in a title right here for an H1, Woodland Hills Plumber. In the content, Woodland Hills Plumber, and it's bolded. So that's how you get recognized for those keywords that you want in your content. And then you add backlinks to power it, and boom, you're going to rank first. So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing was content. Front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Second thing was citations, and that's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. And that'll help your GMB rank. I suggest getting 100 of these to 200. Beat these guys out by a landslide, and also it's getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks or link juice. You guys need more relevant sites pointing to your website to show Google that your company is the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I know you're a very busy man. We can schedule a time to talk anytime you'd like. Just shoot me a message. You can text that phone number or send me an email, and I'd love to speak with you a little bit further on this. And yeah, get that business coming in. Thanks for watching.